G'day guys, it's Sam with Cardboard Craving here. Today we're going to open a box of the Panini Excalibur 2014-15. Alright, so here we go. Let's get a good old slice there and let's tear it into it. Okay. Tricky to get out of the box, eh? Let's put that back there. There we have them. Stack them up just there. Alright, let's crack into the first one. Okay, Chris Middleton, Victor Oladipo, Nikola Vucevic, Vince Carter, Brook Lopez. Arms in the way of the light there. Kevin Garnett, Kemba Walker, Andrew Bogart. Don't even know the dude's name here. Skip. Nobility, Kevin Garnett, Timberwolves. Nice insert there. Tony Parker for the Spurs. Kobe Bryant, Lakers. Oh, Wesley Matthews. Are these ones, are they numbered? Numbered to 149, that one. Looks nice. $150 points. What's this one here? Yusuf Nurkic rookie card. Don't know what sort of insert that is. It's all nice and silver and shiny. Not too bad, not too bad. Alright, let's crack the next one. Brandon Bass, Trey Burke, Mario Chalmers, Trevor Ariza, Avery Bradley, Jared Sullinger, Novik Meritic, Nikola Meritic, Kyle Anderson, Johnny O'Brien. Let's have a look here. John Wall, Knights Court. Tim Duncan Night Court, LeBron James Night Court, and what's this? Taj Gibson, numbered of 99. It's not bad looking card, that one. Alright, what's this one? Oh, we got two there. So we got another one of these. I'm not sure what they are, like maybe metalized or silver or something like that. Not numbered. It's a Tony Parker. It's not too bad. And this one here, KJ McDaniels, Fresh Faces. It's a rookie jersey. Not a bad looking card. It's kind of like a die cut. It's the first time I've seen one of these. I mean, I've never opened a box of these before, so yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. This stuff out the way. Get decent hits there. Crack into the next pack. Oh man, let's go with this packet. So it's super glued together. Joe Ingles, Bruno Caboclo, Kevin Love, Yusuf Nurkic, Shabazz Napier, Costa Papin Papinic Galloway, let's skip that name. Bojan Langton Galloway, Russ Smith, Noah Vonleh, James Young, Slam Inc. They're a nice looking card. Not bad. Number to 49, Jabri Parker, rookie. Yeah, okay. Larry Bird, Crusade. It's a gold. It's a number of 10. Not too bad. I don't know if you can see that. Nice. Vince Carter. So far, we haven't hit an auto yet. What does it say? 3 autographs or 1 memorabilia cards per box on average. So, this is the last packet of the box. I see a couple autos in here. Okay. Andre Drummond, Ricky Rubio, Evan Fournier, Tyson Chandler, Nerlens Noel, Michael Carter Williams, Andre Bagnani, JJ Redick, Jeremy Lin, Juggernauts, Patrick Ewing, Juggernauts, Jerry West, Juggernauts, Kevin Love, and a purple, Tony Rotten, numbered of 75. What's this? Dunk Company jersey, Kobe Bryant, Dunk Co. Not numbered. No. So that's the second jersey. Now I'm assuming the 150 points card that I had there before was instead of the auto. Yeah, I'll put that somewhere. Which is, I don't know if that's the same sort of value. I mean, 150 points is not a great deal. So, I don't know, I guess that was pretty average box really. Yeah, not overly happy with that. I mean, it's not bad, but certainly was expecting something a bit better. But anyway, thanks for watching guys. See you later.